In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple weekly planner in Notion. If you want a quick, clean way to map out your week, this walkthrough will get you set up in just a few minutes using only built-in features so everything stays simple and focused. First, open your browser and head to notion.com. Click login, then sign in the way you normally do. Once you're in, go to your workspace. If you use more than one, pick the workspace where you want this planner to live so you can find it easily later. Next, click Create New Page. A blank page opens, and this is where we'll build the planner. Notion organizes content in blocks, so we'll add a calendar block. Press the / on your keyboard to open the command menu, then start typing Calendar View. Select Calendar View from the list. To insert it, you'll see a calendar appear right on the page, ready to be customized. With the calendar in place, click the settings icon for this calendar. In the panel that appears, choose Layout. Under Show Calendar, switch the view to week. This changes the calendar from a monthly grid to a streamlined weekly layout, which makes it much easier to focus on what's coming up in the next few days. Weekly view is perfect when you want just the right level of detail. You'll see each day's commitments side by side, which helps balance workloads and spot conflicts early. It also reduces visual clutter compared to a full month, keeping your attention on immediate priorities. Now let's add tasks. On the week view, click the plus icon on the specific day when you need to do that task. A new item opens for that day. Just add the details of your task, give it a clear title, and if you like, include notes, a time, or any reminders that help you stay on track. You can keep descriptions brief so your weekly board stays tidy and easy to scan. As you build your week, keep things concise so your planner remains readable. You can open any task to adjust its details later, and if plans change, it's easy to drag a task to a different day. Keeping related tasks named consistently can also make scanning your schedule quicker at a glance. And that's it. You've created a simple weekly planner in Notion using a clean calendar view. This setup is great for personal routines, work sprints, or school assignments, and it's flexible enough to evolve as your needs grow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.